premiere, the world premiere of Wizards Beyond Waverly Place. For almost 2 decades, audiences have been captivated by the Russo family, their magical adventures, unforgettable moments, and above all, the unbreakable bond of family and friendship. And we are so thrilled to bring that same magic, humor, and charm into a new era with fresh stories, exciting adventures, and a whole new generation of characters who are sure to capture the hearts of fans around the world. Okay, now I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge some very special people in the house tonight, starting, of course, with the executive producer, Selena Gomez. Selena, not only have you brought such creative perspective to the show, you have been such a gracious mentor and advisor for this new cast as they step into the Wizards world. And it has been a joy to have you back, guiding the next generation of this franchise. To David Henrie. You are a guiding force on set. Now, beyond being a wonderful human being, you are an extremely talented actor whose comedic chops are simply unparalleled. Selena and David, thank you so much for being amazing executive producers and going on this journey with us once again. Yeah, well, we'll talk about that. And style to Billy, and I know you will inspire fans everywhere. To Alkeo Phil. Your commitment and energy is inspiring. You bring your best to every moment on screen. To Max Matenko, you have everybody laughing, even when you're beating them at table tennis, and I know about that table tennis. It's that energy that shines through in every frame. And Taylor Cora. You are such a pro. You make it seem like you have been doing this forever. Now, Miss Me Giannopoulos. Audition, we knew you were perfect for this role. Your comedic brilliance completes the Russo family. And thank you to all of you so much for going on this journey with us. Now, to our incredible showrunners, Jed Elenoff and Scott Thomas. Your vision, creativity, and passion has taken this beloved world to new heights, and we are so grateful for your leadership. To our executive producers, Gary Marsh and Jonas Agan. We are so fortunate to have your unwavering commitment, expertise, and vision guiding this show. And I also want to give a special thank you to Todd Greenwald, y'all. He is the creator of the original series. We are so honored to have him here with us this evening. And of course, I have to give a special shout out to my team at Disney Branded Television who have poured their hearts and soul into the show, and to everyone at Disney who supported the series, especially Craig Erwick and Dana Walden. Thank you so much. Okay, now, tonight we have got not one, but 2 episodes to share with you all. But before we do this, please put your hands together and help me welcome to the stage David Henrie and Selena Gomez.
For coming out. I want to know, where are the OG Wizards fans? I love it. Look, we want this show to be a love letter to you, a big warm hug, but also an invitation to pass the wand to a whole new generation. There's a whole new generation of kid out there who really could use a smile and some magic in their life. So that really is at the heart of what we're trying to do here. I can't wait for you to see our new incredible cast that I'm so honored and proud to work alongside every single day. They're so wonderful. And our incredible crew and all of our families who have supported us all throughout the way. So thank you all. Thank you to my family, my wife, my children, everyone. It means the absolute world to have your support
And
throughout.
my sister and my stepdad are here too.
Yes. I mean, this is crazy. We were kids. We got cast in a show by Gary Marsh.
I literally can't believe I'm still arguing with this guy. But it's the best feeling in the whole world to be able to bring this back for you. And to all the people who have never seen it before, my sister included, I made her watch it. I don't think she was that into it. But I was so genuinely happy to be able to just bring the nostalgia back, because this is what gave me everything that I have today, and I will never forget that this is where I started. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And I don't know, do you want to finish?
Let's go. Get
Let's
ready.
do it.